right, mama? Go Gina, go Gina.
Hey everyone, what's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel. More so, happy New Year's, guys, right? Like, happy 2019. 2018 is gone, 2019 is here. Let's make it a blessed year, a good year. Let's get it. So what better way to start off the new year than to say, new year, new hair, right? Right. I was sent hair from Yebo Hair on Amazon to review, and this is what they gave me. This is what I did, and this is how it came out. Let me take this down for you so you can get a sense of it. So I got sent this hair from Yebo Hair on Amazon to review for you all, and so far, y'all, this hair is popping. It's popping. Like, I love it. Look at it. Come on. Whose man's is this? Come on. But anyways, this is their spring twist. I've seen some people call it passion twist, but I do know it as their spring twist hair. This is how it looks, y'all. It's some really stretchy, springy hair, and it's crocheted onto my head. So if you want to find out exactly how I did it, just be sure to keep on watching. So to start off, this is how the hair came from the package. It was not twisted, and keep in mind that this is crocheted, okay? So it was not twisted. But I was not about to sit there and twist the back of my head and cock my neck like that and try to, I wasn't about to do all of that. So I just decided to actually crochet the hair, actually twist the hair into a crochet form before I crocheted it into my head. And I promise you, this is completely easy. If you do have a day to spare, less than a day to spare to prep the hair for crochet, I would recommend doing it, making your own hair into a crochet, and then doing it, and then crocheting it to your hair. So without further ado, I'll show you exactly how I did it. So I did use strings, yarn, to do this crochet. If you got a straw, if you got something that's a cylinder shape, if you got something that could hold the hair and form a hoop, then you're good, then you're Gucci, okay? I just tied the strings to the arms of my chair, and honestly, I just went. I started off using jam, which I love. Like, I love because it conditions your hair, it smells good, and it adds shine to the hair. Come on, B, come on, like. And then I ran out. So I tried using Cantu, which was a flop. Well, it wasn't overly bad, but I rather prefer the jam compared to the Cantu. I felt like it weighed the hair down a lot, and instead of it being shiny, it kind of felt like there was like a grayish white cast onto the hair because the product is white. But it did smell good, and then I wasn't feeling it, so then I tried using Dax, which I ended up using throughout the rest of the twist, which was bomb. You went old school. I used one full strand, okay? I did not split the strand and then use one strand and then another strand. I used one full strand, but I did split it. So when I split it, it's like this now. Short end and short end with a long end and long end. And I just attached it together like this. Short end overlapping the short end, but not all the way overlapping. Just like that. Pinched the middle, and then I just started twisting it down with the Dax and with the jam. Your braid pattern, honestly, does not have to be A1. I'm telling you guys this. As long as you have a braid pattern, you got your hair braided down, that's if you are even doing crochet with braids, because there are crochets that do not involve braids. But if you are doing crochet with braids, I promise you, your braids do not have to be A1. One thing I would say is to just get them as close. I have to leave some hair out in the front, that way I can just single twist it individually. That way when I tie it up, it looks natural. When I leave it down, it looks natural. I personally just don't feel that I get a natural look when I crochet from here back. So I leave the front of my hair open. That way I can do single braids like this and like, you know, do what I gotta do to make it, ooh, do what I gotta do to make it look good. And that's basically it, guys. Would I recommend this hair? Yes, honestly, only because it's so easy to twist, like, and it looks so good, like it looks so bomb. I was so scared when I got this hair because I'm not a twister. I don't twist, I braid, I don't twist. But look at this, because the hair already comes coiled. It doesn't come kinky-ish, like it doesn't come like a kinky blowout texture, whereby you have to now manipulate the twist by twisting the strand before you twist the hair together. You see? Confusion. So yes, I would definitely recommend this hair. I feel like it will last long. I haven't tied this hair down to sleep. I haven't wrapped it down to sleep. Don't know why I yelled. I haven't wrapped it down to sleep at all. And this is it. It's been a week. It's been a bomb diggity week. Like, tell me something I don't know about this hair. Like, y'all, should I do another style video? Like, come closer. Oh, come on. Somebody talk to me. Somebody say something. Somebody, I'm acting like I'm preaching. So here are a few things that I would point out when doing crochet to your hair, is that try to keep your braiding hair together. If there's no formation, one rule you want to keep is smaller gaps in between. That way you can easily fill up the hair, or else you're gonna have to start filling out your hair in between without going through the braids. Another thing that I would suggest is that go easy on the back. Start filling it up more from the middle, like the back of your head middle, towards the crown, because it's going to cover all of this in the back. Unless you want it really, really, really full, then don't listen to me. There's a plethora of ways of doing it. So now I'm gonna go have a photo shoot for the gram. So that's honestly about it for this video, y'all. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you know it looks good, because this is my type of style, you know? Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, guys. 2019, y'all. Let's get some new squad members, guys. Come on. Come on. And I'll see you all in the next video.
Go get that gift right, mom.